What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll show you how to connect TradingView to Bitget. Also, before we get started, if you guys want to support the channel and don't have a TradingView account already, we will leave our referral link in the description below. So let's get started. So first things first is you want to go to tradingview.com here, log in into your account. So since I'm already logged in, I'm good. So what you need to do is you need to access one of the charts here. So for example, on one of you like something for Tesla here, and from here let's go and click on full chart that you see here. Let's go and view the full chart here. And from here, you want to look for a very specific option here. So we have stock screener, pine editor, strategy tester, play trading here. But what you're looking for is going to be the trading panel. So just click on trading panel here and you should see paper trading here. But in this case, since we're looking for Bitget specifically, you want to click on all brokers and just scroll down a bit here until you see Bitget. So in this case, just click on Bitget here, and in this case, it's going to give you some information about, in this case, what Bitget is here, if you want to compare this with other brokers. But what you need to do is you just need to enter your API key as well as your passphrase here, and basically start connecting it by clicking on the connect button that you see here. So you might be wondering, where do you get this API keys and passphrase? Well, in order for you to get this one, you need to actually build this in your Bitget account. So you want to go ahead and open up your Bitget account website here, log in into your account, and at the top right of your screen, you should be able to see your user or your profile. Now from here, you want to go ahead and basically click on the settings option once you hover over it. And from here, you want to go to the API keys section at the left panel. Now from here, if this is the first time that you're accessing this one, you won't see anything. So what you need to do is you just need to click on the create API key here, and you want to choose one of the following options. So in this case, you can go and choose some generated API key here, and just provide the node for this one and the passphrase that you want to set for this one. So by the way, the passphrase is going to be the one that you'll be using here. But in this case, you want to go ahead and indicate the permission. So you could go and use read write option here, since that's what we need for TradingView. And from here, you could go ahead and provide the permissions needed here. So only provide the necessary permissions. But in this case, go ahead and make sure to select the proper one here. So for example, maybe I want to select the wallet transfer here. I want to maybe enable copy trading. So in this case, you could go ahead and enable whatever you need here. So in this case, just an example, I'm going to select everything here since we are good. But once you've selected that and entered your note as well as your passphrase here, you should be able to create your keys. Now, obviously, you need to confirm yourself, but once you've created your key here, you could go ahead and just basically copy that and enter that in here to connect your accounts, and from then on, you should be good. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like, or don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.